Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. In today's video, I'm doing my first impressions of clean makeup. I tried clean makeup before, maybe 7 years ago, and the products suck so much. So since then I stopped using clean makeup. It's really hard to find clean makeup that actually works. So I'm really excited to use clean makeup from the brand Honest Beauty. I have been using their gentle gel cleanser for 3 weeks. I didn't expect anything because I have really dry skin. I don't go for gentle for gel cleansers because they are very dry. I have dry skin, but that cleanser, I have been really enjoying it, and I really love the smell of chamomile. I love the clean scent, so I decided to pick up some items from the brand. The only products I don't have with me right now is the eyeshadow palette, because I just bought a new one 2 weeks ago. Big glow highlighter. I'm really picky with highlighters right now because of my dry skin. Most highlighters nowadays, they look really cakey on my dry skin. And also powder, since I don't powder my face, I have dry skin. So I'm definitely going to check out the big glow highlighter because it looks very interesting. So I have to check it out maybe at my local Target store. And then yeah, those all 3 products I don't have, but I have the Everything cream foundation. Now the only cream foundation I tried was from the brand Boots number 7, and it was okay. And this one looks very interesting. I have the shade in Sand. I have this one. I was really eyeing on this Everything Glow Primer for dry skin. I have the Cream Cheek Blush. I only have 1 shade. Mascara and lash primer. What else? I have the liquid liner in the shade Black, I think. So, and the last products are her liquid lipsticks. I have the shade, it's in Off Duty and Passion, which is this darkest shade, like a very bright, not very red, like a mid-tone mauve shade. So I have most of the products from the brand. And Honest Beauty, they're known for clean ingredients, no harsh chemicals. So I do not have eyeshadow primer, so I'm just going to go straight with my face right now. I'll move on with my face. So I am going to tie up my hair first. I'm so excited, guys. I'm really excited. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is this Honest Beauty Everything Glow Primer. I'm going to write down the prices. So this one here, so this one is free, made without parabens, PEGs, paraffins, stearate, and I don't know what is that, petroleum, mineral oil, synthetic fragrances, not tested on animals. So this is really nice. And this is the packaging. So this one, you can wear makeup or no makeup. Our award-winning primer is the first step to a subtle luminous complexion with a sheer golden hue, infused with hyaluronic acid. Love my hyaluronic acid. A botanical peptide pony root extract is not only preps but also helps hydrate and smooth for a truly healthy looking glow. They also have, let me check out the website. I think they also have primer for oily skin. I purchased this one because I have really dry skin. Let me show you guys. They have primer. It's Everything Primer, their matte version. Oh my gosh, you cannot really see, it's way too bright. So the matte was $21.99, same price with this one. So the packaging is plastic, and actually not bad at all. So this one's 30 ml, your typical foundation, like your typical foundations. So let me shake this first because it's kind of liquidy. Actually not that bad, it's not that liquidy at all. Oh, this is very interesting. It's like a tinted primer, almost like a olive. It has the olive undertone to it. Very interesting. And it smells actually really nice. It doesn't smell like fake. It smells like clean. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel the silicone feeling to it. It's actually very hydrating, and it's a little bit sticky. So I'm just gonna wait until like it dries down completely. And then I'm going to use the Everything Cream Foundation. I have the shade in Sand. So this one, same price with the primer, $21.99. With this, they have 16 shades. So I think it's like I'm kind of in between about the shade range. It's not bad. It's not the best out there. So this is the cream foundation. The only cream foundation that I tried before from, I think it was from Boots number 7. You can buy the product at Ulta. It was okay. So this, I think this is like my second cream foundation. So I have no idea what to expect. So let's hope that I'm going to like this one. Okay, let me zoom you in a little bit. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. brush. Ooh, it's really sticky. It's kind of thick though. So I don't know if you noticed the bubbles. It could be the brush that I'm using. It looks really nice. A little bit dewy. Not drying at all. It's just so hard and sticky. I should say this is like a light to medium coverage, which I don't mind at all, because I don't go for full coverage. Medium coverage I could do, but full coverage I just do not like. So you can see I'm breaking out right there, so let me cover this up. Next is the next I'm going to apply this concealer from L'Oreal. Since I did not purchase the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the Nabla Cosmetics Dreamy 2 palette, and I'm only going to use this lightest shade, Deja Vu. So I'm only going to use this one because I'm going for like a natural look. So next I'm going to use the liquid eyeliner. Let me show you guys. So this is the packaging. It's plastic, and let me show you guys the brush. It's a full tip type of brush. Oh wow, that's actually really black. Alright guys, so the liquid eyeliner, actually this is their new product. So this one retails for $9.99, and I think they only have one shade. So I really love the one because it was really easy to use, and you can see guys, it's very pigmented, super black. For a clean makeup brand, is very impressive. So I'm just gonna curl up my lashes, and I'm going to use the eyelash primer and the mascara. The Extreme Lash Mascara and Primer, this one retails for $14.99, and it's a dual-ended mascara, and this one is, I'm not sure if this is waterproof. No, I don't think so. It doesn't say in here. So this is very interesting. So let's see if this works. So I'm going to use the lash primer first. So this is the lash primer side. So after 4 coats of this mascara, oh my goodness, I am obsessed. I have been obsessed with the Urban Decay Let me show you guys the mascara. This one, the Urban Decay Perversion one, because this is a lengthening and also volumizing mascara. But this one, oh my god, usually my lashes don't look like these. They don't look like this usually because I have really short and thin lashes, but oh my goodness, they're sticking out. I am really impressed. So next one I'm going to use is blush. So this one is a cream blush. You know, I love liquid blushes and cream blushes. So this one's almost the same color as the Milani Cosmetics. This is the Milani one. Let me show you guys. So this one's like a light mauve pink shade, and this is the shade Peony, I think. On this one, yeah, I think this one's a little lighter. Yeah, it's a light pink. So with this one, I'm going to use a stippling brush. So this is the Beauty Bakery stippling brush. Alright, so last products I'm going to test out are these liquid lipsticks. So they retail for $12.99 each. They have 8 shades, so they are formulated with hyaluronic acid. Let me read the description. This one, a vegan matte liquid lipstick with our clean power technology and a flexible feel in 8 high pigment payoff shades. They also have lip crayon sheer lush. They also have tinted lip balm. They have lip crayon in a demi matte formula. So I'm going to use this one, this darkest one that I have, and oh, this is very thick and creamy. And this is the one there. And I'm going to use this Off Duty. I'm gonna mix it together with that shade. The last thing I'm going to do is spray my face with the All Nighter spray from Urban Decay. I think this one came from a holiday set. This is the completed look, and my camera is dying right now. Excuse my left brow. Girl, I don't know what's going on with my left brow. Alright, so let me tell you guys, I am very impressed with this brand. I'm really impressed. For like a clean makeup brand, most of the products, oh my goodness, were really good. So I'm going to show you like my top maybe 3 or 4 products from the brand. So oh my goodness, I love the mascara. If anything, I just tapped something. I highly recommend this extreme length mascara and lash primer. The primer wasn't very tacky. I mean, when I applied it, I didn't see anything. It looked white. I mean, I'm going to show you guys. So as you can see, guys, so white. I thought it would not do anything with my lashes, but oh my goodness, guys, oh my goodness, oh my god, I applied 4 coats, maybe almost 5 coats of this mascara, and let me tell you, I really impressed the mascara too. So you can see my lashes are really long. The mascara was more of a lengthening mascara than volumizing mascara, but I'm still very impressed. You could see, I mean, I could see my lashes. You know, I have really short and thin lashes, and my lashes look really nice. Oh my goodness, I'm definitely going to purchase this one again. I love my mascara from Urban Decay, but this one, I have to say, way better. Oh my goodness, I am really happy with the mascara. Next one is the liquid liner. Oh my goodness, it was really black. I really love the one. It was so flexible, and you can see it looks really really black, like matte shade. So these two, oh my goodness, are my favorite products from the brand. And then next, let me show you guys. And then next is this one, the Everything Glow Primer. Was really hydrating. Was a little bit tacky, it's sticky, but it was really hydrating, and so I still really impressed with this one. And I think these are like the top 3 products. And the last product is this one, the Cream Cheek Blush. This one is so pretty. I just wish I order like a deeper shade, but I really love this one. The only thing, you have, maybe you want to use your fingers, but I personally like to use a stiffling brush because I just love the stiffling brush better. So the only bad thing, I mean, got like product around the edges, so it's only bad thing, but overall I really like this one. What else? The lip products are really pretty. You can see they dry down very fast. They don't feel like drying at all. Oh yeah, they don't feel drying, they don't feel sticky, very opaque, very impressed. So these are like my top favorite products. The only thing that product that I wasn't really sure was this one, the foundation, because I'm not really, oh my gosh, my camera is dying. I'm not really sure about this one. I mean, it was really sticky. It was kind of hard to apply, and I mean, I had to keep on dipping my brush, which I did not like that part. I don't know, I have to use this one a little bit more, but the color matches me perfectly. I don't know, I just did not like the part where I keep on dipping my brush. And I really love the coverage, light to medium. Definitely you could build it up to a medium coverage. So yeah, those are all the products that I really love from Honest Beauty. So I'm definitely going to purchase more from the brand. And what are your opinions, guys, about clean makeup? Have you tried clean makeup before? What are your opinions about clean makeup? So this would be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.